guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. So on Ever After, you can see the holographic on the box. And you've got everafterdiamondpainting.com. Then you've got Ever After, a premium diamond painting experience featuring legally licensed artwork. And this image is so me, peace and love. I love it. I love it. But I took it one step further. So stay tuned to find out what it is. Now I've took this canvas out 2 or 3 times. So it's not like it come when I first got it. This come in a box with some other canvases in, as you've seen, this box. Then it's in a dust cover, heavy dust cover. And you get your inventory sheet. This is round, 3 ABs and 2 Forever Dust. It's a 61 by 88.7, and it's JR 026. And as you can see, they use 1 through 8, A, no B, C, D, E, F, backwards G, H, J, K. And then a moon, L, M, N, O, P, R, no S, T, U, V, X, Y, and the Z is backwards. Then you got symbols and lowercase letters. And it has 67 colors. And again, it's peace and love. By Just Stemple. And you get your sticker sheet that has the dome with the glass slipper, the Ever After, the model number, the size, the shape, and whatever special drills it's got in it. This should match on the inventory sheet, on the canvas, on the sticker sheet, and also on the drill package. And then you've got your Ever After logo. You've got your pumpkin carriage. Well, it's not exactly a pumpkin, but you got your carriage. And you got your mirror. You got your wand. And you got your crown. These are all individual stickers. So you can kit up. And then you got your drills. And right there is the JR 026. And look at this color palette. Look at all those 310s. Isn't they gorgeous? Or aren't they gorgeous? Okay, I've pulled the toolkit out of this one, so hold on just a second. Let me grab another toolkit. Okay, I'm back with the toolkit. When I pull this out to compare my kit with another creator's, So, because she was working on something special that I got coming up later. You get a purple squishy, 6 packs of purple wax. Come on. Bib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You got your bags. Get your white Mosfilite tray. Oh, there it is. I was sure I didn't get another multiplacer. This is a clear pen with single placer, a 3 placer, and a 9 placer. Then you get your tweezers. This create. Come on. Come on. Come on. Create your own fairy tale. There we go. Got that toolkit put back up. Put the drills over here out of the way. Look at this. Let's create your own fairy tale. It is the soft silk lamp canvas. You've got your thumbnail, which is big and clear. You can see is gorgeous. This side, you have a thumbnail on the top left, the bottom right, and an legend on the words today. Words today. You've got an inventory, a thumbnail, and a legend on the upper left and the lower right. And as you can tell, down here at the bottom, you got Ever After. You've got Peace and Love, Just Stemple, GratefulLicensing.com. Then there again is your serial number, 61 by 88.7 centimeters. And you've got your Ever After DiamondPainting.com. Thick plastic sheet cover. As you can tell, it's really sticky. Oh, this is gorgeous, isn't it gorgeous? But guys, guys, guess what Nana done? Nana took it one step further. And of course, this being my first enhancement kit, I didn't order everything the first time, so I had to go back again. And some of you that's ordered this kit, I found out when I was working on with female on this kit, and Jessica, that some of you get 2 bags of this, so it shows 72 bags up here. Mine only shows 71 because they put them all in one bag. So let's see what enhancements we've got here. Okay, guys, I want to show you the crystals, or the special drills that come with the kit. It's 704 AB, 740 AB, 996, come on, AB, Forever Dust, 211, for all of y'all that don't know, the Forever Dust has a glitter coating on it, whereas the AB has like the Northern Lights. Then we've got Forever Dust, $9.95. Okay, and with this, I ordered 5,200 pixie dust. $603 round crystals. $564 glitter. And you can't see the glitter on them because they're staticky. You can see a few of them. Then you got your 444 crystal. Your 647 glitter drills. I'm so excited for this one. Your 747 ABs. Your 444 crystals. Then you've got your inchworm sparklers in those gorgeous. I think I've done called out those 747 crystal ABs. Then you've got 2 packs of the Briar Rose. One pack of Thistle sparklers. And 1 pack of Parrotfish sparklers. So I'm going to bling this baby up. I'm so excited. It's going to be my first full enhancement. These go back in here. Yep. I'm so excited. But it's going to be after Christmas before I get to do this. Oh, then I got some Oasis bubbles in a round to go in it. And if you're interested and have this kit and interested in enhancing it, go over to DP with Sparklers, and T Ma has an enhancement special. So you can order them that way. Or you can order each pack individually, which is what I did. And that's why I had to place 2 orders and pay shipping twice. Because when they got here, I realized I didn't have them all. But that's all I got in this video. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.